Everyone, welcome back to Goan Chef's Kitchen. Sagalyang tumka mai mugatsa yokar. So today we are going to prepare caramel bread pudding. The ingredients that we are using are 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, 4 white sliced breads with edges cut, and a tablespoon of vanilla essence.
To begin with, I'm slicing up the corners or getting rid of the corners. So this is how we want corners taken off.
Now it's time to put it in the blender. You can just roughly tear them up and put it in the blender. It should look basically like breadcrumb. Take a big bowl to mix all the ingredients together to prepare the batter.
So I'm adding my 1 cup of sugar.
Now it's time to add our eggs in.
So now it's time to whisk. You don't need to whisk it rough. You can just use your hand and just try and whisk it up. It's all that we need to blend the sugar and the egg yolk. This is the cup of milk. Here you go. Whisk it a bit more. Now let's add the vanilla essence. You can use about a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Up to you how strong flavor you prefer. I like it a bit strong, so I add more of vanilla essence that because it cuts off the smell of the egg. Now it's time to add the breadcrumbs. Let's give it a nice mix. Now let's leave it to set for some time as we can start with the preparation of our caramel.
So now for the caramel, we are going to use about a 3/4 to half bowl of sugar. It depends how much caramel you want. Add a little bit of water in it and start mixing it. Make sure you mix it continuously because you don't want the sugar lumps to be formed. Okay, so as soon as the sugar starts turning brown, it's time. You can see your caramel getting nicely browned up.
So this is the consistency that I'm looking for and this is the color that I want. So yeah, I'm very much satisfied with this color, but if you want more dark color, you can wait for some more time and get it more dark color, but make sure you don't burn it off. So here this is ready and I will quickly show you how to spread it out.
Make sure as soon as you pour it in the container, you rotate it very fast because the caramel will start getting hard, which we don't need. We need to make sure that it is nicely been coated.
So friends, this is how it is supposed to look. It should be coated up from all the sides, but mine is slightly become thicker and it got dried up here itself. So nevertheless, as long as it has been coated from all the sides, now it is time for it to set for about 5 to 7 minutes so that it cools down.
So now it's time to pour in the mixture.
We are going to steam it up, so we need a silver foil to cover it up and then steam it up. You make a few holes on it or just slice this up so that the steam comes out and it doesn't get steamed inside.
Okay, so now you need to put a stand or any tuna tin or anything like that so that the container doesn't go inside and it needs to steam up. So that is what we are trying to do here.
So here you go. You can just leave it or drop it inside. You can put it later on as well. If the pan is too deep, make sure you don't burn your hand. Just leave it here. So time to cover it up and let it get steamed here itself. We are going to wait for about 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes, and then we are going to check it. And now it's time to check our pudding. As you can see, it's nicely come up. As you can see, the knife is clean. This is what we want. Let's give another try and see how it comes up here. And as you can see, it is nice and clean. That means the pudding is ready.
Now leave it in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours and our caramel bread pudding is done. So friends, I'm just trying to loosen it up a bit by moving the knife on the edges. Let's turn it and just give a slight bang on the back, and here you go. As you can see, the caramel bread pudding is come out nicely. So this is how it is supposed to be. I will also cut it up and show y'all how it is. Okay, so here you go. You can see how the bread caramel pudding has turned up. So this is it guys. If you have liked my channel, please make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and all those who have subscribed to my channel, a very big thank you. Saglyank tumka dev baren karu. Take care, bye bye.